Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have Colab open. Start immediately by focusing on the blue notebook title at the top center. Click that title once to activate the inline edit field, because this is the direct rename control. Type the new name exactly as you want it to appear in Drive, replacing characters, or adding a version tag. Make sure to avoid forbidden characters for Drive file names. Once done, press Enter to commit the change and trigger Colab to update Drive. Once you press Enter, Colab pushes the new title to Google Drive. Give it a few seconds to synchronize. If you open this notebook from Drive, refresh the Drive tab or the Colab Files pane to confirm the new name appears. If you mounted Drive or are using a local copy, remember that the editor title controls the notebook file name stored in Drive, not the runtime file system. Make sure the change propagates before sharing or closing to avoid version confusion. Finish by verifying the new name in your Google Drive. If it shows correctly, you're done. If the title reverts or doesn't update, try refreshing the Drive page and reopening the notebook, because transient sync issues are common. If that fails, rename directly in Drive with a right-click rename or mount Drive and run a simple Python OS. Rename to change the file in the runtime. Troubleshooting tip: if changes keep reverting, check you're signed into the correct Google account and working on the Drive copy you expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.